Hey, did you get the fancy AP pension booklet?
Yes, but I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
Well, I've been here for about 10 years and it looks like I'm losing a lot.
You might be. The new plan has many more risks for the employee.
Risks? Like what?
Your pension is guaranteed now. The AP plan means your retirement benefits could fluctuate a lot.
Like a market crash?
Exactly. If you need to take your money out just when the market is crashing, you could lose a lot.
Our current plan is different?
Yes, it's protected by law and is insured by the federal government.
Why is AP making this proposal?
AP says it has to put millions of dollars into the plan.
All of a sudden?
AP didn't put money into the plan for years. They had great returns in the stock market. Then, the Congress changed the law to make companies meet tighter funding targets.
Is the plan unsound?
No, but the company will have to put money into it.
How much will they save by freezing the plan?
AP says it won't save any money for 10 years. That's because even if they freeze the plan, they will have to fund it under the law.
Wait a second. You're saying AP doesn't need to take this step right now?
No.
And it wants to give me an inferior benefit while also jacking up my medical costs?
Yes.
What about the industry? Everyone says it's hurting.
AP had years of revenue growth before the recession. Then, it gave away millions in rate cuts to its owners.
Why?
The owners demanded AP cut rates.
I wish I could cut my rent and food bills like that.
Do you own an apartment building?
No.
Do you own a supermarket?
No.
Then it's unlikely you will be able to lower your rent or your food bills.
I feel like banging my head against the wall.
I wouldn't do that.
Why not?
Because, under the new medical proposal, you would have to pay more out of pocket.